Welcome back to the second of our Workday Highlight series. We hope our first episode in the series gave you a good introduction to the modern look and feel and navigation of our new finance system. In this episode, we turn our attention to expenses and how, in our new environment, we will raise an expense claim and how we will approve expenses. Raising expense claims is one of the fundamental finance activities for all staff in UCD. Many of us are familiar with the current system, which is a manual process for both inputting and processing the expense claim. Did you know that in the 2023 to 2024 period, 13,710 claims were submitted by email to our accounts payable team? In fact, in September 2024, 1,257 expense claims were submitted alone. Each of those claims has to be reviewed by the team with the receipts and calculations checked in line with our policies. It's a truly marathon effort. In our transition to Workday, all of us will see benefits of moving from our manual system to a truly digital process, which will be both easy to access and approve. Our new system will bring slightly different terminology in some cases, and for expenses, instead of filling in an expense claim, we'll now be raising an expense report in Workday. So in our short video, you'll see reference to expense reports as opposed to expense claims. Using our test account, let's dive in and see how expense reports are raised and approved in Workday. You can access expense reports from two areas on Workday's modern browser-based landing page. The easily accessible Expense Hub link in the top apps area will bring you straight to the main expenses area in Workday. Alternatively, using the intuitive search function, you can type directly into the text wheel to find what you need. For example, if we type Create Expense, you'll notice that the drop-down provides the link to the Create Expense Report task, a quick and intuitive way to access what you need when you need it. A fantastic feature of the Expense Hub in Workday is that you can see all expense reports that you have raised and what status they are currently in. This means that if you have a current report and want to know at what stage of the approval workflow it's in, you can find this out really easily via the status view. Creating a new expense report is really easy. You simply navigate to Create Expense Report and be brought to the initial page to submit your report. A key time saver is the easy way in which to add information to support the expense report. You can manually type in the reason for the report or select from the pre-populated list. In Workday, we will no longer have to look up currency conversions for expense reports. The system will automatically provide conversions for us. Adding supporting documentation could be easier in Workday. Simply use the drag and drop or upload functions to attach receipts, tickets, and so on. A true time saver. A fantastic feature of Workday is its mobile functionality, meaning you can raise an expense report from your smartphone from wherever you are. Using the Workday app, you can log in and begin your expense report, just as you would on the desktop with all the same features. Bonus of using the app is the ability to take a photo of receipts, tickets, and so on, and add them as supporting evidence to your expense report. Approving expenses is also very easy to do in Workday. Accessing the Expense Hub option on Workday will bring you to a list of expense reports that require your approval. For convenience, you can also approve expenses using the mobile app too. That's it for the second episode in our Workday Highlight series. We hope that this video has given you an indication of how easy and streamlined our new expense process will be in Workday.